Let's face it, traditional suits are a huge pain. It's uncomfortable, it's stiff, and it's a hassle to maintain. This is where xSuit comes in. xSuit was created with the idea that you don't have to sacrifice comfort for looks. In this video, I'll be doing a detailed review on the xSuit and the xShirt 4.0. I'll be going over the fit, the features, the comfort, the material, everything that you need to know. So hopefully this video helps out anybody who's thinking about buying from them. So keep watching. Let's start off with the materials. The xJacket and xPants is made from 60% viscose, 31% polyamide, 9% elastane, and the lining is made from 100% polyester. The xShirt is made from 50% polyamide, 25% rayon, 13% tencel, 9% spandex, and 3% spun silk. Every clothing piece that you get from xSuit is going to be anti-wrinkle, waterproof, machine washable, 8-way stretch, and moisture wicking. Their fabric is woven with a special pattern that is resistant against wrinkles. The fabric uses your body heat to activate its shape memory and return to its smooth and unwrinkled state, so you can get rid of that clothes iron. Each clothing piece has a water repellent coating that makes liquid roll off, so you don't have to worry about stains. This water repellent coating can last over 30 washes, and when it's time for a wash, no dry cleaning is needed. xSuit is very low maintenance. All you gotta do is throw it in the washing machine and then hang dry and you're good to go. The xJacket is a perfect example of formal wear meeting smart wear. It looks minimalistic on the outside, but it's packed with so many cool features. First, the seams are thermal fused, which takes 4 times longer than regular stitching. This improves the durability, helps maintain its shape, and keeps it looking smooth. Second, this jacket is made from a proprietary fabric that gives it an 8-way stretch while retaining its shape and allows for breathability. The front has 3 pockets, with 2 flat pockets on the belly and 1 horizontal pocket in the left chest. There are 2 X buttons at the front. In the interior, there are a total of 3 pockets. On the left side, there's a horizontal zip pocket, and below is a mini pouch. On the right side, there is a larger vertical zip pocket that you can store your phone or wallet. You don't normally see zip pockets in a blazer, but this is a nice addition for extra security. The craftsmanship and construction of this jacket looks really high quality, and I would say that the quality is comparable to your high-end suit jacket brands. Now for the xPants. First impression, the pants does have a bit of weight to it. The waistband and fabric feels thicker than your average dress pants, but that gives me the impression that this is more durable. This is your classic dress pants design. The hardware features X engraved buttons with a silver YKK zipper. There's a total of 5 pockets. On the right pocket, there is a bonus zip pocket that blends in with the seam for extra security. On the back, there are 2 standard pockets. The fabric feels so soft, and the construction of these pants, just like the xJacket, is perfect. I don't see any loose or uneven thermal fusing. The xShirt is your classic dress shirt, but with all the same bells and whistles of the xSuit. You have 8-way stretch, proprietary wrinkle resistant fabric, water resistant, stain repellent, and machine washable. Honestly, check out the stretch on this shirt. This is amazing, something that I've never seen from a dress shirt. The overall craftsmanship on the shirt is very impressive. At $139, you really get what you pay for, and that is a luxury dress shirt that is not only stylish but also insanely comfortable and low maintenance. Here's how the xShirt and pants fit. For reference, I'm 5'10", 160 pounds with a 37-inch chest. The xShirt is in a size small and the xPants are in a size 30-32. The xShirt is in a size small and it feels like it's tailor-made for my body. It's slim fitting but not too slim. The sleeve lengths are perfect, it stops right at my wrist. The shoulder and chest width fits me just like a glove. Here's how the xPants fit. The 11-inch thigh opening and 19.5-inch hip opening is slim but not too slim where it starts to feel restrictive. The leg tapers to 7.5-inch leg opening and it looks great if you decide to pair them up with dress shoes or boots. I went up a size in length and plan to take it to a tailor to hem, but otherwise the structural waist, thigh, and leg opening fits perfectly, which is the most crucial part to good fitting pants. Throwing on the xSuit, this is in a size 36 short. You can see off the rack that it fits surprisingly very well. The shoulders rest nicely, there's no pulling the buttons, there's no gapping at the chest, the length covers my entire butt. The sleeves show about 1/2 inch of shirt cuff. Of course, nothing is going to be perfect off the rack, but I would say this is pretty close. Besides the fit, the best thing about xSuit is the comfort. It honestly does not feel like I'm wearing a suit. My movements are not restricted at all. If I wanted to go work out or a quick jog, as crazy as it sounds, I can do that in this suit. The 8-way stretch and smooth fabric makes this by far the most comfortable suit I've ever tried on. So after all that, is xSuit worth it? Never have I ever seen a suit brand that is both comfortable and also low maintenance. It's packed with so many cool features that you won't find from any other suit brands. If you go on the website, they have plenty of shirt, pants, jackets, and accessories to choose from, so I'm confident that you find something that you'll like. So click my link in the description for extra discounts. Check out xSuit and I promise you that you won't be disappointed. So that's it for this week's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.